uh, Boomerang first. So we faced little difficulties while running the trades. Users had this issue while clicking on the dApp to execute the trades on Boomerang from last couple of days. So we figured out, uh, when we as a tech team we receive all these challenges, we troubleshoot it and we try to find the solutions of these problems. So this problem was related to you clicking as a user on Boomerang dApp and executing for a successful trade. That's where we got challenge, and many people clicked, but the the process was going on, and by the time process is going slow, or the transaction is getting prepared, uh, the time out of the transaction was reaching. So in this case, the successful trade from whitelisted users were having difficulties. There were difficulties, but most of them were running. So these some users, we checked few addresses, and we found there are no challenges with the addresses. There are no difficulties. But and then what we did, we saw that on the application layer, the API calls, or you can say the more times you receive the response from the AI and it acts on your request to execute flash loan arbitrage for you, it was getting exhausted. So when we saw these API calls are getting exhausted, the first thing, as a developer, what we do, we double the API calls, or we increase the number of API calls so that everyone can execute trades. So the API calls were close to 500,000, and we increased it to 1 million calls. And then also the same problem happened. Users, almost 20% of the users could not click and execute the trades. So we figured there is some, maybe people are clicking over and over and they are exhausting it. But this is a common troubleshooting method. So on the live dApp, we did what, we changed and we limited the number of clicks on the dApp for the users. So we put limitation of clicks also individually to every user, 10 clicks. Since there was two trades, so 10 clicks every user, which can execute two trades easily. But this also did not work, and users could not even execute their successful trade in their 10 clicks. Then we understood that this is not the problem. The problem is something else, because there is no reflection on the smart contract. Smart contract is running well. There are trades getting executed from some people. Our users only are executing trades, and everything is working fine on the smart contract layer. But at the application layer, there were bot attacks, and these bot attacks were not to execute trades. These bot attacks were not to steal money. These bot attacks were just to get the arbitrage opportunities, get the real time data from Boomerang AI, in order to, when they get the uh, you know the market opportunities, they can, act and react to that and execute themselves. So they were trying to breach the application layer and attack the application layer to get the stats, to get the logs of these opportunities. So what we have to do, at that point, I asked the team to put the dApp on maintenance, build another security layer on the dApp. So in 24 hours, we built one more security layer over the dApp. This security layer ensured only whitelisted addresses can click now. And we tested it. 2 hours ago, we went live. We tested for 2 hours. Trades were running smooth. Few addresses now we are registering. So there is whitelisting for profit ceiling, and then we are registering addresses, the same whitelisted addresses, into a directory which can only click on that app. So nobody can click on auto trade if they are not permitted to. So there will be no bot attacks. This has been done. Last 2 hours we tested also with the community. Community ran thousands of trades. Everything works. Now we are registering all the addresses. And in next couple of hours or by tomorrow morning, we will go live again with smooth functionality. This means what? This means we, Boomerang Tech team, is responsibly working and acting according to the challenges that we face. And we have been always acting to the challenges that we have been facing from beta phase till now. This is the first time you guys, as a user, faced the difficulty because of the attacks. I have not been reporting it to the community, but we have massive bot attacks, hackers trying to get into the smart contract all the time, because this is a disruptive technology which is making you 50 cents with a click. This is not something uh, you know where there is a system or there is something that is easy to do. No, this is a live market profit pouring opportunity protocol which takes money out from the live market. It's not easy to even, it was difficult, it was a Herculean task to develop Boomerang, and it is a Herculean task to run Boomerang also. And we are running it very well. It is just like climbing Mount Everest every day. And we, the whole tech team, is determined to do that. This means what? This means the outcome that you are expecting, you are going to receive, because we are a dedicated, consistent tech team that is not sleeping but ensuring that whatever challenges we come across, we face and we solve them. And the team will continue to work like this until we achieve the automation on Boomerang. And an interesting fact, because I'm talking about challenges today, uh, from beta phase till the MVP, there have been a lot of blockages. Not by not just by hackers, but decentralized exchanges, aggregators, they blocked our services because this is their business. We were we are taking away their business. And now, since we have this AI which gets market opportunities before them, that is our key takeaway. That is the advantage. And that is what nobody can build, what we have built. That's why every other tool that was built on copying Boomerang have stopped working, has failed. This is the bigger picture. Okay, now that we are moving towards the implementation of more trades and eventually we will start automation, what I see, the bigger picture, or what I foresee in coming few months after automation, will be another big wave of Boomerang sales, because when it will be automated, everybody would buy licenses again because they will exhaust their license. So more than Boomerang licenses, more faster sales that you guys did as a leader in the market, you will do again with Boomerang in coming few months again. And this is where the whole tech team is determined to work. So, no matter what challenges we come across, we will continue to solve it and make this work and make this better and better with time. This is important. It's not just the, of course, I understand you guys had expectations that it will work like this, it will work like that, but what we are doing is not something easy, is not something common. You know, taking 50 cents with every click is easy for me to do that. But I am making thousands of people do that on a live protocol. That is big. And if this can be done, we can multiply it. So we have the MVP. That's why I talk about patience, because this is innovative development. The time or the same kind of momentum will come again into Boomerang, and it will be bigger this time. This is my take on the development, the kind of challenges, and I am getting, the tech team is getting stronger and stronger. The product is getting stronger and stronger after facing all these challenges. See, if there were no bot attacks, we did not require any extra additional security there on the app. There were attacks, that's why we got the security layer built. So it is not just getting enhanced day by day, it is getting stronger also day by day. And this is long term development that is going to give us, this is a seed that is going to give us fruits all along. So as soon as we will be ready with all the addresses, execute the trades over the app, we will go live again. Again, 2 days we will operate, or maybe one day we will operate, and we will switch to 4 trades a day. Okay, this is the goal. Tech team is on it. Any challenges we will face, I'm confident that my tech team will solve it. We are the ones who build. This is our baby. We will nurture it. We will see it growing big. Okay, so coming on to 9pay, we are prepared. We tested the app completely. Entire testing is finished. Now just the compliance which is required. There are some connections, APIs which needs to be taken from Apple App Store, iOS Store, Google Play Store. All these things are being done. Registrations, assembly, basic stuff. So we will finish it in next couple of days, and we will go live with 9pay application first on Apple App iOS Store and Google Play Store. As soon as the app goes live, every WAS member will receive the instructions of how to set up and how to claim their 10%. Before that, over the app, you can download the app, but do not do anything. Wait for my instructions, because after the app will be live on Play Store, App Store, we will connect, or we will put the there is, okay, let me explain the tech scenario also. We have, from WAS we have the SQL database. This SQL database will be linked with 9pay. 9pay users can directly also sign up. They can also buy the card directly. It is an application that offers Visa cards. So, but for our community, for all of us, we have a database, and this database has to be in real time availability in the app. So this work will be done first the app will go. So you guys can start downloading the app, check the app, and then we will start the connections. The first version of 9pay app will go live. The first version will include the virtual cards, ability for you to spend using virtual cards, then physical cards will be delivered to your doorstep. Inside 9pay app, you will have ability to uh, put crypto and convert that crypto into your card balance. You just have to click on convert, and you can spend using 9pay card anywhere, connecting with Apple Pay, Google Pay, Alipay, WeChat Pay, all the payment processing tools which are available worldwide. You can spend on over 100 million merchants across the world. This is the basic functionality of the first version that I declared. In the second version, we had more additional features. Uh, this is and good news for the whole community. Now I am adding one feature from version 2 to version 1. So in version 1, you guys will receive the on ramping, off ramping from day 1. So you can buy crypto using your card inside 9pay application. You can sell crypto using your bank card using 9pay app. So buying, selling of crypto is sorted. You can transfer crypto using anybody's phone number registered inside 9pay for free at no cost, zero cost transfers within the users. So these functionalities will be there from the day 1 of 9pay. All right. Now let's uh, dive deep into Capital 3.0. Today's Zoom is very, very important. If you have started already with Capital 3.0, it's good. If you are waiting, then hear this, understand this. Today, all the questions, all the you know confusions about allocations, how swap will happen, everything will be declared. And I have created this synergy where you will feel that today you are working in WAS and it is a great company. Trust me. Okay, let's start. Introducing Capital 3.0 DAO. So create, we have already applied for registering an entity for Capital 3.0 investors. Capital 3.0 DAO. How does it function? What are the features I'm going to highlight? First, I'm going to explain about the DAO, what it means for our community members, for the participants of the DAO. Okay? For the participants, it gives you innovative DAO participation because you are part of that investment collegium where you have equal vote. It is stronger than traditional VC backed funds. Of course, in the traditional VCs, venture capitalism, there is one decision maker, but here it is a democratic decision of the whole community. That is not just community of voters, but the community of investors. Empowered community, of course. Strategic investment opportunities. You will get, with Capital 3.0, you will get to participate in unicorn projects at a very strategic point of view. This you guys understand. comprehensive support network. You will get every day real time data of how many people joined Capital 3.0 from this DAO. Public on chain data. You know, today 3,000 people got into DAO. Okay. Transparent and decentralized. Of course, when everything is on blockchain, it is transparent and it is decentralized. Leveraging collective strength. So, all of you are investors, all of you are voters, all of you are decision makers. So, everyone is empowered, and we have a collective strength as a DAO community. We already have it, but for Capital 3.0, it was required. Accelerated growth and future proof investments, because everybody will get to know about projects which are coming. You guys were asking, right? Which projects will come? When will they come? Okay, I will ask you to vote now. These are the projects which came. Vote now. So it is going to become more interesting and transparent. Now, why Capital 3.0, DAO LLC, why it is important for the unicorns, for the crypto unicorns, or for the top tier funds. But it is going through top tier funds to the unicorns. Why it is beneficial for unicorns? So these are the benefits of unicorn project partnering with Capital 3.0 compared to traditional VC. Why would they choose to take our allocations or to accept our allocation compared to traditional VC? They have community driven funding. They get. We provide not just the funding, we provide the community with traction. So they would prefer us. And they have where they will see this on blockchain. It's a DAO. There are governance tokens. Everybody is voting. I cannot go and show was dashboard to the top tier funds that these many people deposited. It can be manipulated. It's not, it's Web 2 application. I cannot prove again and again. I cannot share them real time data. But with Capital 3.0 DAO, because with this you will have a separate DApp just for Capital 3.0 where you connect your wallet and you vote. Okay. Empowerment, inclusion, stronger network effects, adaptability, optimal resource allocation. Because they get everything, every detail about our community. That these many investors, very strong community of 200,000 investors, they are now trying to vote on our project that they want to put money or not. News will come into crypto blogs, in crypto, in this crypto news channels, that Capital 3.0 DAO community has voted for XYZ project, and this is why the project is going to be successful. You guys see the bigger picture here. Whatever we will vote on will become successful in the market because the huge DAO community has not just given the money but has voted, and everything is on blockchain. Okay, so introducing Capital 3.0 governance tokens. C30 DAO, C30 DAO. This is our primary token. Whenever you buy Capital 3.0 or you have already brought Capital 3.0 membership, you will receive C30 DAO tokens. One token. When you receive one token, you will have the DApp for Capital 3.0 separate DApp. Over the DApp, you go and you cast your vote. When you cast your vote, you send your C30 DAO token to Capital 3.0 DAO smart contract. It The smart contract will burn C30 DAO token and it will send you STC30 DAO token, staked C30 DAO token to you. And when you receive staked C30 DAO token with you, you are confirmed as an investor in Capital 3.0. You voted for the mandate of Capital 3.0. That you just not only put money, but you are in this journey together, and the proof is on blockchain. This DApp, and so one C30 DAO token will be equal 1:1 with one staked C30 DAO token. And we will use Solana network to build this smart contract and governance token. Why Solana? I will I will brief on Friday. Okay, my Friday session is going to be why Solana. What is the bigger connection where I'm seeing BTC20 smart chain exposure with you know bigger players in the industry. That is why Solana. It's time to go in the market, right? Bull run is coming. Okay, that's why Solana. Every day. So here is the process. Now listen to it very carefully. If you don't understand, it will be repeated in the Zooms, and I will hold the clarity call with the leaders again and develop the clarity over the tech. We are building the DApp. DApp will be live in next less than 2 weeks for Capital 3.0 also, where voting will start and mechanism will be initiated. So daily minting of governance token will start. So when you buy a Capital 3.0 package in WAS, you will get on your Solana address one C30 DAO token. So you have to create your Solana address. Download Phantom Wallet. It is a Web3 wallet that works like MetaMask. Save, secure your key phrase. Make sure you don't forget. Last time when we launched BTCC, there were many problems. You guys learned a new thing. MetaMask was not new, but yes, the process may be new for some people. So ensure that all the teams, all the people who made mistakes, this time they don't make any mistakes. This is this is involving investments. So help each other create phantom wallets. Take your Solana address from there, paste it into your WAS before buying the Capital 3.0 subscription. Not from today, Hopefully, in next 2 to 3 days, we will start the purchase option. And the old packages who have taken, they can submit in a Google form that we will float. So minting of C30 DAO token will start. On a daily basis, you will receive governance token. And when you receive governance token, what you have to do? You have to vote. Because what I can do, I can send these governance tokens to a million address and tell these funds, these unicorn projects, that I have a million DAO holders. There is no validation. You guys also receive sometimes some tokens on your address randomly, right? Some tokens, they come airdrops. I don't know from where. There are some tokens which come to your address. If you make few transactions on the chain, your data is there on the chain, there are some tokens which come to you. So we can also send a lot of tokens to addresses and claim that the DAO members are so many. But where is the validation? Validation will be your first vote. So your C30 DAO token, when you will open the dApp, connect your wallet in Capital 3.0 dApp, you will see vote. While you vote, your token will be sent to the smart contract, and the smart contract will mint for you staked STC30 DAO token in 1:1 ratio. Let's say you have 3, you will be minted with 3 tokens. So bigger the number of tokens you have, the number of votes are more. Understand? Everybody understand? Very simple process. One token will be minted. You have to go to the dApp, click on vote, participate. That's it. Your participation is recorded on the chain. I can show to the unicorn projects. Everybody understood? Raise your hands if you guys understood this till now. Then I will explain more. Let's see how many people understood. Okay, amazing, 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 amazing. Perfect, perfect. I have an amazing community. this is this is all the hard work from the times of BTCC that you guys now, you know, understand all these simple things. These are simple things for us, right? Not complicated. I know, I know. Per- Perfect. Okay, amazing. So this will have us get a validated database on chain on Solana for staked STC30 DAO token holders. That means our participants who have voted, who have given us the assent, who have given us the consent that yes, they are participants of the DAO. Okay, now let's say we have 100,000 C30 DAO token holders. Okay, everybody bought the package, everybody got C30 DAO tokens. The people who sent, or the people who voted, they got STC30 DAO tokens. So only holders who got STC30 DAO holders will be token holders will be considered as voted members of Capital 3.0 DAO. Very clearly. And only holders of ST30 DAO token can participate in project portfolio allocation. You guys understood it? I believe yes. So if you have voted, you are participating in the allocation. If you have not voted, you are not participating in the allocation. Simply. Perfect. This is not complicated. This is very easy. Just 3-click job. That's it, done. But new learnings are associated. Okay. Now the process of allocation of project. This is the burning question from the community. Okay. Understand. Let's say there's a project which came with the name frog. Let's see example. Okay. This project frog comes to us, and we first do what? We take your votes using your STC30 DAO tokens. That yes, we can now proceed with frog project. Okay, now that we are proceeding with frog project, let's say $100,000 worth of capital 3.0 tokens in your VOS, in your ROI is going to be swapped. Let's say community 3.0 token holding from the community is at the moment, at that time, maybe will be 500,000. It will be too much, but take an example. If the whole community is holding 500,000 tokens and we have allocation that can swap $100,000 worth of allocations. That means 20% of your tokens, of your 3.0 tokens, can be liquidated, can be swapped. So, what you will do? You will go on VOS and you will swap. You will click on swap and you will receive, every one of you will receive 100,000 C30 DAO tokens. Okay. From from VOS. You will swap from your VOS back office and you will receive 100,000 tokens. One token is $1. And then Project Frog will be listed on where will be available to swap on Capital 3.0 DAO DApp, and you will transfer your token, your C30 DAO token to the smart contract according to your holding. Let's say Grace got 500 token, I got 5 token, David got 10 token, Excel got 15 tokens, Finnow got 100 tokens, CryptoTech got 15 tokens. We all have total how many? 100,000 tokens. And every one of us wants the frog participation, frog allocation. So I will send my token to the smart contract. Grace will send, CryptoTech will send, David will send, Excel will send. We will send it. When we send it, if frog is listed on uh, Solana, then it will be on the DApp swap. If it is listed on different network, then we will collect the address inside Capital 3.0 DAO DApp, and your tokens you will receive on that address. This is the process of transparent participation of Capital 3.0, and it took a lot of hard work to develop this and to bring this to the community so that you guys can transparently work. Because what I said about Capital 3.0 when I introduced Capital 3.0, that this is a legitimate ROI program where everything is going to be transparent. So I was working on this structure. The structure is ready. DAO is registered. The DApp is under construction and it will be released. This will add reliability. This will add more uh, traction from the community because now you will have new members and they will have uh, feeling of satisfaction when they buy Capital 3.0 package. They will receive governance token, they will go vote, and then they will see allocation on the basis of their holding of STC30 DAO tokens. So I structured it properly so that you guys have less problems, less questions, seamless method, seamless procedure of cashing out the ROI. I believe I was very clear. The documentation will be issued. If some people could not understand, do not worry about it. We will explain it again, and this will be made clear in Zooms for the rest of the week. And this will be also included in the pitch deck. I will ask my team to creative team to turn it into a video of easy understanding the tokenomics, and when the DApp will be live, it will be just one click voting mechanism and you can do it. I I bet you guys will enjoy this process. This is a formal procedure. Many people came in the market. They pitched this. I do not do anything in a in a vague way, in something where I see a bigger potential, because I saw bigger potential from the project side, from the uh, top tier fund side, from the unicorn project side. So I want to cast this potential out and benefit you guys in a bigger way with more power and standing in the upcoming bull run. So news will be there that Capital 3.0 DAO community has participated in particular project. This project has to run well because there are 200,000 members who are going to hold their tokens. This is real. This is a real thing. This is big. So get ready. I am doing more than the best I can do for everyone to ensure that you guys not just make money, but we make money in a very glorified way. Thank you. David, if you have any like conceptual confusion on this, you can ask any trainers
All
who
clear.
have any questions. I can. All clear?
Yeah.
Yes. It's very easy. It's very simple. Just governance token, DAO, DApp. It's the development is only complicated. So I'm doing that. I'm doing the
But
complicated bit.
that is what you do, because you do the development, if you understand the system, you can explain it simple.
Yes. Yes. And this is this is where you guys are lucky, I think, because I am a developer myself. uh, if I would have been just a random guy running the company, maybe with or without money, then it is a big challenge, you know
Yeah.
and then this kind of synergy could not be built. Come on, it's the fourth product on was. People have been dreaming about putting moving from one product to another in affiliate marketing. This is our fourth, and there will be 40 more. I
Is
am
that
ready.
14 or 40?
40, come on. The bull
40. Hey there, Chavez. This just keeps getting more and more amazing as every week goes by, doesn't it? Really. You'll
Yes.
begin. I think we're going to stop calling you the postman. I'm going to start calling you the magician.
I'm
I
trying.
know that it's possible to add the Phantom network onto MetaMask. Will that be sufficient, or does it have to be the Phantom app?
No. Phantom network is different. Uh, Basically, Solana supporting wallet we need. So Phantom wallet is one of them which supports Solana. MetaMask does not support Solana.
You have the facility to add the Phantom network onto MetaMask. Is that not the same?
No. Phantom network is
Well,
different.
Okay.
Phantom wallet is different. It is
Okay.
spelled also differently.
Oh, okay. I didn't look. I just know you can put the Phantom on there. Okay, no problem. Just a quick question. Thank you.
then
Yes,
get your video there, Joe.
yes, you
Yeah,
have to record a video of how to create a Solana wallet.
of course.
So,
That's my next job on my list now.
okay, perfect. See, everything works in a very organized manner, like in harmony in our community. Everybody has their role to play in the community. Joe have been serving the whole community with first-hand information, just like flash loan arbitrage. With this is how you do stuff. Come on, don't make mistakes. So please do not make mistakes while creating the wallets. This is basic, okay? I expect the community will not make any mistakes this time to create wallets. You know. All right, perfect. Okay. All right, then we can
Yes.
finish here today, and I will I will be there on call tomorrow as well. I will answer a few questions as well in tomorrow's call, and ask your uplines to organize a call with me. If you guys want me to jump on your group calls, I'm doing it aggressively. So many calls every day, and it is crazy. It is good. It is the best. When I see people making money, when I see you guys making money, it gives me the best feeling. Trust me, from the day Capital 3.0 is live, today is 25th, many leaders have already made 5x from Capital 3.0. This is incredible. This is victory for me. Because you know why it happened? Because we have structure already. You don't have to do that job again. Never in your life. Never ever create a structure again. Come to WAS and stay in WAS as a family. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you guys on Friday tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chavez.
Thanks, Chavez. Great call. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Trashit,
Yes, Grace.
yeah, will you stay on?
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Or
All
we
right,
will.
everybody. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Okay, we'll see you